The splitting of wood is not only ugly, it also weakens the wood structure. A good screw should not split the wood. We test the splitting action in wood of 3 different screws. Due to the serrated screw thread and the special cross sections at the tip, pre-drilling with the Dynaplus screw is not needed in most cases without splitting the wood. The unique Dynaplus tip ensures that the screw immediately gets a grip in the wood. Want to know more? Watch our video about the start speed.